welcome to Lost Wrench Garage. We're going to start a series, this old Triumph. So I'm tinkering around today. As you can see, I'm under the hood right here. But hang around, let's see what I'm up to. Well, today with this old Triumph, I'm removing the smog. This is the one, I don't know what the hell it is, a vacuum type deal for smog. I'm going to be removing all the smog like I said before. So I'm starting over here. What I'm working on right now is to get this stud or nut off so I can pull this bracket, and then I gotta put the studs back in to keep the distributor locked down, and then we'll just keep at it. I'm going to be removing the smog pump also, so I'll be back whenever I get certain things done here. I got to move the ballast resistor too. Now we got the Dizzy that the distributor put back in, plugged in, got the compressor out, got the lines up to here off. I'm going to mount the ballast resistor. I'm going to pull this bolt for the fuel line, and I'm going to mount it right there with it so it'll be out of the way. I'm going to tidy up these wires, probably get some shrink wrap or some electrical tape. I am going to order a fuel pump block off plate, so that'll be coming off. And then I can always throw, I don't even know if that still works or not. It didn't work when we tried it before. But I could always throw it in the spares box and keep it in the trunk. Just in case. You never know whenever one of these is going to crap out on you. Going to remove the meter. This is for EGR service intervals. I'm going to disconnect that. All this is bolted down, but with this plate underneath the brake distribution block. Take that out, and then we'll move to the other side and start pulling the pipes out of the head. Get some bolts out or set screws that will go in there, plug them off, and then start tearing all the rest of the crap off. I'll probably have to do a retune on the carburetor, but I still need to get into that carburetor, and I want to make sure it's all cleaned up and good and freshened up, ready to go. Okay, so I got the lines removed. Right here's the one line that is the vacuum, the vent for the fuel tank. That is not a return fuel line, that is just to vent the tank. So I am debating on keeping that, but I'm going to run it low and around, then up to the charcoal canister, so it's kind of hidden and out of the way. I tried to remove the rails. I was just twisting these pipes, and I wouldn't mind trying to keep them intact to throw all those parts on eBay or offer them up in some of the forums to the guys that are out there in communist California that need that stuff. I don't need it here, but I still got a few more parts I gotta kind of plug off, like this port here. There's a port right there. This manifold, I'm going to plug that off. This is coming off, I'm going to plug it. That's coming off. Plug the exhaust. This here goes to the carburetor. I'm going to leave that on there because that pulls with the crankcase vacuum. But yeah, that's about as far as I got today. You see, I'm sweating. I don't like sweating. I'm going to start putting stuff away. I got to run into town. I got to get cleaned up. And I got to get a couple things from town. But yeah, just a little short video for today on what I did to the Spitfire. So if you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and click that subscription button. It's free. Give me a big thumbs up and not the finger. That tells the algorithm, hey, it really likes this stuff. Show it to more people, which I need. Leave a comment. It's a good way for me to find you. And I like to reply to comments. And as always, hey, we'll see you out here.